Hello students, now let us do question number 3 of exercise 2.3. So it says obtain all other zeros of 3x raised to power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and negative of root 5 by 3. So this is a polynomial of degree 4 and two of the roots are given to us. We have to find the other two roots as it can have maximum 4 roots only. Now let us start the solution. Since root 5 by 3 and negative of root 5 by 3 are zeros of the given polynomial, therefore we know that x minus root 5 by 3 into x plus root 5 by 3 is a factor of polynomial. Now separately both these are the factors, and if we multiply both these, then also that product is also a factor of this given polynomial. So let us multiply it. X, this is a minus b into a plus b. It will give us a square minus b square. So x square minus square of root 5 by 3 will give us 5 by 3. Therefore x square minus 5 by 3 is a factor of polynomial which is given to us. Now why we are doing this? We will use division algorithm for polynomials to find the other two factors. Now we have get a polynomial which we can use as a divisor, and this polynomial will act as a dividend. So we will divide this polynomial by x square minus 5 by 3. Let us see how we can do it. Now this is divisor, this is dividend. Now x square will be multiplied with 3x square so that we could get 3x raised to power 4. So 3 ones are 3 and x square into x square gives us x raised to power 4. 3x raised to power 4 and minus 5 by 3. Let us see here, minus 5 by 3 multiply by 3x square. So 3 is cancelled with 3 and we are left with minus 5x square. So it will come under x square term minus 5x square. Now we will subtract, sign will change, negative, positive. These two terms will cancel out, and here plus 5x square minus 2x square will give us plus 3x square, and rest of the terms as it is. Now in next term we have 6x cube. So we will multiply x square with 6x plus 6x. So it will be 6 and x into x square gives us x cube. 6x cube and minus 5 by 3 into, let us see here, minus 5 by 3 will multiply with 6x. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we are left with minus 10x. So x term will come under x term. So it will come here minus 10x. Now we will change the sign, negative, positive. These two terms will cancel out, and minus 10x plus 10x. These two terms will also cancel out. We are left with 3x square minus 5. Now x square, we will multiply x square with 3 only. So we will get 3x square. So x square into 3 gives us 3x square, and minus 5 by 3 multiply by 3. Let us see, minus 5 by 3 multiply by 3 gives us only minus 5. So we will write here minus 5, minus 5. Now sign will change. These two terms will cancel out. Minus 5 plus 5. These will also cancel out, and remainder is 0. As we know that this is factor of this, so it will divide this term, this polynomial completely. And we get this polynomial as a quotient. So now let us take this quotient part. This is 3x square plus 6x plus 3. And now this is a quadratic polynomial. We can easily factorize it. So sum of the term should be 6x and product should be 9. So we will take 3x and 3x. 3x plus 3x, sum will give us 6x, and 3x into 3x will give us 9x square. Now here from these two terms, let us take 3x common. So we are left with x plus 1. And from these two terms, let us take 3 common. So we are again left with x plus 1. Now x plus 1 is again common. Let us take it out, x plus 1. And we are left with 3x plus 3. So in this way, we will factorize this quadratic polynomial. Therefore, the other two zeros are, if we equate this part equal to 0, then x equal to minus 1. And if we equate this equal to 0, 3x plus 3 equal to 0, then x is minus 3 by 3 or minus 1. So, two zeros were given to us as root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3, and other two zeros are minus 1 and minus 1. This way we can solve our question.